we have demonstrated that the passport has expired, the Kenyan passport. It is not the responsibility of the government to reissue the passport to the petitioner. The petitioner has to apply like any other Kenyan. And he has not applied. He has not renewed his expired passport. So he has to do so, and that is our position.
What I've already said.
Exactly, Your Lordship.
My Lord, the way forward is this, as you have put it very rightly. Let us come on Monday. Let the Honorable Attorney General or Solicitor General or a very senior legal officer come so that we can be able to explain to the court why these orders have not been dealt with.
Dr. Kameme, worried and deeply concerned by the flagrant disobedience of court orders, asked this court to order that the Honorable Attorney General or a senior officer from his office to attend court and shed light on this matter. By dint of Article 156, the AG is the legal advisor of the government. He represents the national government in court in all civil cases where the national government is a party. He is already a party in this case anyway. Perhaps I should state that this court is not powerless to make orders by virtue of its inherent jurisdiction, where the justice and circumstances of the case so demand. In my view, this is a proper case for this court to flex its muscles and exercise its inherent jurisdiction and grant orders, first, to defend the Constitution itself and also to defend the rule of law. In this regard, I direct the Honorable Attorney General or a senior representative from his office to attend this court. We shall agree on the date to explain why the various court orders issued in this case have not been obeyed.